have. Don't trust, because big or smaller, if you're in third grade, right, you can say, well, this is marker, kids, bigger than this one. But this beautiful geometry. In geometry, you have to prove it. I give you this one, right? I answer question. So it can be distorted anyway, this problem, like this. And now, let's use in childhood, I believe you read a fairy tale, Gingerbread Man or Colobok. Remember, in different culture, they use folklore, they use different heroes, but the same, Gingerbread Man. Who knows this Colobok, raise your hand, or Gingerbread Man? You know, it's storytelling. It make Colobok, this Gingerbread Man. It's rolling from one animal to another one, and finally, I believe, fox ate it up. Oh. Let's say we have Gingerbread Man or Colobok, and our Colobok is over there. Very happy. And we have three triangles, right? And you know property, opposite of greater angle located the greater side. So far so good. Bigger angle like hinges, greater and visible side. Good. Now, while this Colobok or Gingerbread Man is over there, and we see this is 81, is the biggest angle. So definitely in the first triangle, side BD is the greatest. Who understand this so far? Karen? Good. But then I have animation. Now, this Colobok rolling over, and now this Colobok or Gingerbread Man, very happy. And triangle number 2, this triangle number 1. So, remember, in triangle number 1, the greater side was BD. But this, if you look at perspective of triangle number 2, the side BD opposite of angle 53 degrees. And this is 110 degrees, is bigger angle. You can say that this side DC even bigger because it's located against of 110, and this side, everything based on comparison, located against of 53 degrees. Who understand this 100%? And everybody answer this question, DC. But Colobok is smart one. He keep rolling. Now he rolling to the third one, to third triangle. Rolling over. In this triangle, this greatest side for the second triangle is DC. But from perspective of the third triangle, the side located against a 30 degrees angle. You can compare side and side in the same triangle, in the third triangle. But in the third triangle, this side, which looks, I told you it's not to scale, this side located against 89 degrees angle. And definitely 89 is greater than 30. And the answer is CE. CE is the greater side. CE, not DC. And just give example. Pretend we have, do you like watching basketball, for instance, right? Olympic, basketball Olympics. I don't know any fun of anybody. Pretend we have different countries participating, right? And usually the tallest person, let's say in China, not necessarily tallest in the United States. Maybe our players taller for this one. Doesn't matter. It's not against of some countries. I just made example. So when you have this on the test, we have to imagine this is gingerbread man. Roll over from one triangle to another one. Every time make comparison. And correct answer is, this is the real question, is definitely CE. Who really understand this? Hands up. What about Karen? Karen, understand this? EC students, late time. I told you fairy tale before go to bed. You will have nice dreams right now, right, students? Good. We have some students from Europe. They also know this nice fairy tales, Kolobok. Okay. So I have tons of different examples of this, and they're not difficult. It's kind of fun. Because usually everybody, right, either what they see, but seeing is not believing, but use the logic. And usually my suggestion, these all examples based on your roll from this to this direction, from left to right. So far, so good. Did you have fun, students? Or you tired?